Hello, flavor hunters. Today, as the outdoor chef, I'm going to share one of my favorite adventures with you, enjoying paella in a boat kitchen. In the middle of the sea, with the sound of the wind and the rhythm of the waves, we'll cook this Spanish delicacy together using fresh seafood. Place the pan on the stove and add olive oil and butter. Once the oil is heated, add the chopped onion and garlic, then sauté. Add the pre-cleaned and washed rice to the pan and continue sautéing, ensuring it mixes well. Stir until the rice absorbs the oil and flavors thoroughly. Paella is one of the most famous dishes of Spanish cuisine. The Valencia region is the birthplace of paella. Now, go ahead and follow the Outdoor Chef channel. Add saffron, paprika, black pepper, salt, and bay leaf to the lightly sautéed rice. Continue stirring to enhance the aroma of the spices. Once the rice absorbs the flavors and starts to take on color and fragrance, you can move on to the next step. Saffron gives paella its characteristic color and aroma. Paella can be made with seafood, meat, and vegetables. This dish is cooked in a large, flat pan and served directly from the pan to the table. In the comments, let us know which country you're watching from, and don't forget to turn on notifications. Can you share with us where you're watching from in the comments? Add a small amount of the hot water you previously boiled and stir. At this stage, we will gradually add water as needed, ensuring the rice absorbs it evenly. Continue adding small amounts when necessary to achieve the perfect texture. I sauté the seafood in a separate pan to enhance the flavor before adding it, but you can either add it directly or, like me, sauté it first before adding. Place an empty pan on another stove and add olive oil and butter. Once the oil has melted, add red paprika and stir gently to release the aromas. Add your favorite seafood to the pan, placing the shelled ones in while the ones with shells will be sautéed separately. Now, let's sear the seafood to lock in all its flavors. Don't forget to watch other recipes on our Outdoor Chef channel and subscribe. Your support means a lot to us. Support our channel for new recipes, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on notifications. Add the sautéed seafood to the Outdoor Chef paella pan and stir. This step will allow the flavors of the seafood to blend with the rice, creating a richer taste. Place the pan back on the heat, then add the mussels and sauté for a few minutes. As the mussels open, stir gently to allow all the flavors to blend. This step will perfectly combine the fresh, rich taste of the seafood with the paella. The fresh scent of the seafood and the delightful aroma of the spices filled the entire kitchen, changing the atmosphere. This blend makes every moment of preparing the meal even more special. As the water reduces, gradually add more water to the paella according to the doneness of the rice. Continue adding water as needed to ensure the rice cooks perfectly. Don't forget to stir occasionally to prevent the paella from sticking to the bottom. This will ensure the dish cooks evenly and helps the flavors spread evenly throughout. Add the sautéed mussels to the pan, stir, and continue cooking the paella. The mussels will blend into the paella, enhancing its flavor as you cook. Let all the seafood flavors meld together in this step. For a better presentation, you can arrange the mussels beautifully on top of the paella. This will not only enhance the visual appeal but also ensure that the flavor of each mussel is evenly distributed with every bite. After adding the water, you can garnish the paella with the mussels placed neatly on top, allowing the flavors to deepen. This step creates a visually rich presentation and also ensures that all the seafood flavors meld together, adding depth to the paella. Add a little more water, cover the pan, and continue cooking on low heat. You can enjoy this delicious paella by sprinkling some freshly chopped parsley on top. With every bite, it will take you to the warm streets of Spain, leaving a unique taste in your mouth with the perfect harmony of seafood and saffron. Now, keep discovering many more different recipes on our Outdoor Chef channel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share your comments with us, and like the video. We'll keep inspiring you with every new recipe. We can't wait to read your comments.